Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I will be showing you guys how to assemble the Awareness candy dispenser. I will be using my own brand of glue. You can find it on my site. The link will be in the description. I'm also using hot glue, an 80 and 70 mm ornaments. Now let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is put together our spoon opening mechanism. You're going to glue these two pieces together just like this. Now you're going to take this piece and fold up these two tabs just like this. I folded them the wrong way. Now take your your washers, and put them both on over the tabs. Then you're going to take the piece that you just glued together and we're going to attach it. I gotta fix it a little bit. It wasn't perfectly on there. You want to put the handle between the slit just like this. I'm actually putting it on wrong, you guys. I'm gonna have to flip it over. As you can see, the arrow tells you which way to pull it to open it. And then we're going to fold the two tabs down just like this. Now put that to the side just for a second, and we're going to take our back piece and we're going to put the spoon mechanism on top of that. So I just open it up so I can make sure that I am lining my openings up and that I am actually putting it in the correct space so it can open and close with no problem. Because as you see, if you put it up too far, then the opening piece is actually going to be hidden in between the ribbon tails. So this is where I'm gluing it at. Now you don't want to glue this full back piece, so just apply glue to where you see I am applying it at. You don't want to put it on the slit that the handle is between. This will stop your thing from opening and closing. I'll just glue it down. Now we're going to take this other piece and place it on top to sandwich our mechanism. You don't want to glue where your mechanism is because we need that space open so it can open and close. So leave it open and just place glue where your mechanism does not touch.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Now that we have that done, we're going to take our top piece and we're going to just put it on top. Remember, this one has a sort of an overlay, so it's not going to line up perfect. Now you want to take your pencil or your pen. I have a pen that does not write apparently, but you just want to, trace where you're going to put your ornament at. It's a small little space for me to see what I need, where my ornament needs to go. Now you can cut off this piece here and file it down. I actually need to start doing that but I'm not going to do it here in this video. Now go ahead and take your hot glue gun and glue around. Oh, I need to put a glue stick inside my gun, y'all. Give me a second. Now you want to just glue around your ornament. I got a little glue on the ornament, so I'm just picking it off here. So I have my ornaments on, and as you can see, my spoon mechanism open and closes. Now let's go ahead and finish off our awareness ribbon. So we are going to be placing this on top just like this. So go ahead and start gluing. Ribbon finished. You can go ahead and add the final piece if you like or not, the little round white circle. I will be adding it. I always add my circle because it just gives it a little I guess, I don't know, but I just like the little circle. You know, you can change the little circle color up too, but I will be adding mine, so let me go ahead and do that. Now we have our awareness ribbon finished, and this is the final look. Fill it up with any small candies, stickers, trinkets that you like. Remember, you can always change the colors to match the awareness that you are supporting. Thank you for watching.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving